Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. It has been a while and I wanted to just sit down and film a summer makeup look for you guys. So I decided to do something kind of peachy, corally bronze. I really hope that you guys will enjoy today's video. If you have not already subscribed, I would love for you to do so down below and give it a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. You can also come join me over on Instagram and Twitter if you want to be a little bit more a part of this community that we are creating right now. We're just going to go ahead and get started with today's makeup look. Starting off, we are going to use the L'Oreal Lumi glotion. I'm just going to put my hair behind my ears because it makes it easier. I know I've been using the same products for the longest time, you guys, even if you've seen like my older makeup tutorials and stuff, but bear with me because I haven't bought makeup in the longest time, and so I just use the same products that I've had for a while. I'm gonna mix together my Clinique Even Better makeup and just a little bit of the Stila Aqua Glow Serum Foundation. Again, I know I use these all the time. I just love this foundation combination. Gotta cover up those breakouts on the chin. I'm gonna take some excess down the neck. Instead of finishing up the face, this time I'm gonna move straight to the eyes actually, just to get that out of the way and so that if there's any fallout, my concealer will cover it up. And then I will also do some spot concealing. For the eyes, I'm gonna use my NARS Soft Matte Concealer as my base, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of this. I don't really need a lot because I want a really light eyeshadow look. And then I'm going to be using a Colourpop Super Shock shadow. This is in the shade Lightning Bug, and I might layer another shadow on top, but we'll just have to see how it turns out. I just like applying these with my finger best for some reason. That's how it looks right now, but I think I am going to take just a little bit of this other shadow and apply it like in the center of the lid, and this is the Light Up Super Shock shadow. I don't think this is available anymore because this was like a limited edition collection with Kathleen Lights, but it is just like a peachy pinky kind of shimmer shade, so you could really use anything that you have in your collection like this. And now I'm going to use the black eyeshadow from my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette. You guys know this is my favorite black eyeshadow ever, so that's why I always use the one out of this palette, but you can use any black eyeshadow that you have, so it's just this one down here. I'm going to take an angled brush, just applying this to the upper lash line. I will go in and going out of focus. I will go in and spot conceal now with that same NARS concealer. This concealer has amazing coverage. And then I'm going to go in under my eye with my fingers as well. Even though that isn't a super dewy concealer or anything, I do need to set it just because I always need to set my under eyes. I have very deep creases. I'm just going to take my small e.l.f. brush and just, oh, I didn't even mention the powder I'm using. I'm using the It Cosmetics by Pores Press Powder in the translucent shade, and this is what it looks like. And then I will take the excess and just go right into those two little forehead lines there. But I might actually take a little bit of powder on that blemish because I usually do like to set any big blemishes. And before I go ahead and bronze, I think I'm going to take the bronzer that I'm going to use, my Colourpop Private Party bronzer, and I'm going to put a little bit of this on my lower lash line. I'll take a small brush. And then I'm also going to grab this Colourpop eyeliner in Mr. Bing. So I'm going to apply this to the waterline. And then I am going to go ahead and bronze with that bronzer and a big fluffy brush from Real Techniques. Just take some down the sides of my nose, excess down my neck. then I'll go ahead and do my blush next. I'm going to use the So Retrograde blush from Colourpop. This is the one that Kathleen Lights did with them, one of them anyways, and it's like a hot orange kind of shimmer shade, and I think this is gonna look so pretty with the eyes. I'm gonna take my stipple brush from Royal and Langnickel, and I'm just gonna tap off excess and just lightly go in because this is very pigmented. Next, we're going to do highlight, and I'm going to layer a couple actually. I'm going to be using the Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter, and then I'm also going to use Champagne Pop from Becca, and I just have a little mini size of it, but we're going to do the Essence one first since this one is a little bit deeper, more bronzy. It might be a little dark for my skin right now, but I'm just going to kind of apply this like lightly all over, and then we'll do the Becca one in the center. Let's use a bigger brush for the Sunlighter. Tap it off and just kind of like brush this over the tops of my cheekbones. We may have gone overboard, guys. It does look pretty intense in person, but this is so pretty for summer. I'm going to take my Morphe M510 highlighting brush, and I'm going to grab that Becca highlight. Just gonna dab like one little dab, maybe two, maybe three, and just kind of go like right over the center and maybe bring it in a little bit. Now we're gonna do brows, and then I will use setting spray and then do mascara, and then of course I'll do lips. So this is my NYX Precision Brow Pencil. It is literally on its last leg. I don't go too crazy with brows these days. So I'm just taking my Essence Make Me Brow, and this is in Brownie Brows. So this is the brown shade. I'm just gonna brush up. I don't even know if you guys can tell on camera, but I just really like a more fluffy, natural look these days. Next, I'm gonna apply some of this Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist from L'Oreal. Shake it up. And this has one of those like kind of like slow controlled misters, if that makes sense. So it doesn't like spray out at you. And it smells so good. So then we're gonna do mascara, and I'm gonna curl my lashes. And then I'm gonna use my Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara. I've heard so many people talk about this mascara, but Cami Carter is the one who really made me buy it because she just raved about it in so many of her makeup videos, so I had to go get it, and I have really been enjoying it. And I am going to do top and bottom lashes just because I feel like it's gonna look really good with this look. I know sometimes I just do top lashes, but I did do like a darker eyeliner, so I want to keep it cohesive. Okay, and then for lips, I'm still unsure of what I want to use. I know I want to use like a peachy shade, but I have so many here in front of me. But I am just gonna line with my nude lip liner first. This is 04 All Natural from Milani. Okay, let's see. If we don't like it, I'll wipe it off, but I'm gonna try to do this Colourpop blotted lip in the shade Sucker, and this is like a peachy kind of coral shade. And then I'm gonna go over it with this YSL Rouge Volupte Plumping color. I don't know why the shade name isn't on this. Yeah, I can't find the shade name on this. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. But this is just like a peachy kind of corally as well lip product, but this is more of like a sheer balm. Kind of has like a minty tingly sensation to it. I like that lip color, I do. It's a little more corally than peachy, and I did want to add like a pop of color kind of. So I do really like how it turned out. But yeah, this is the kind of look that I would do in the summertime if I want a little bit more of a fun look. That's not just like mascara and tinted moisturizer, but it's also not crazy. Dang, I'm knocking stuff over. I feel like it's wearable. I feel like anyone can kind of wear this. I'm gonna add some volume. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know if you decide to recreate it down in the comments. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you have not already. Give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. You can also tap the notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload new content. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I know that you're coming back home.